It's Igbo o'clock. Let's look at some question and answers or greeting conversation in Igbo language. Remember in my previous video, I've taught you the greetings, Ibolachi, Ehihoma, Otutuoma, Abalioma, and all that. So assuming you met someone in the morning and then you greeted the person Ebolachi, the person will answer A, and then the person might also add Gekwano. Or the person will go ahead to ask you, Kedu ka imere? How are you? And how do you respond? Adem mma. Adem because it's you. Adem mma is a personal pronoun. Adem mma. The person might go ahead to ask you, Nne Gekwano. How about your mother? You now say, Ode mma. Or represent he or she. Or he or she is a pronoun for he or she. Ode mma. She is good. Nna gị kwanu? Ode mma. He is good. Ode mma. The person might look at your face or your body posture and go ahead to ask you, Ahụ dịkwa gị? Ahụ body. Ọ dịkwa gị? I hope you are feeling well. Ahụ ọ dịkwa gị? You go ahead to say, yes, or mba, no. Gị kwanu? How about you? Gị kwanu? How about you? The person will now say, Kodi, which is bye-bye. Kodi, which is bye-bye. Or you go ahead to say, O ga nke ọma. O ga go well. Ga nke ọma.